Overall, I think we've been stuck in this system that doesn't work for businesses at the end of the day because it's got chargeback risk, it's got high fees, but overall, what we're seeing right now is that the Genius Act just passed, and we're seeing an explosion of stablecoins being issued. Basically, everyone is issuing their own stablecoin because they've seen Tether and the success of that. They've seen USDC and Circle's IPO, both incredibly successful businesses. And now we're going to see a boom in stablecoins. And not all of them are going to work out. One thing that's going to happen is each of them have their own blockchain, and it's going to introduce this big problem, which is the interoperability. Because one blockchain doesn't pay the other blockchain in a very neat and tidy way. Lightning actually does give us a possibility to actually move that onto the Lightning Network, where you can actually have this interoperability. And that's going to be one of those key pieces because the rest of the world is going to move into stablecoins. They're going to skip over the legacy payment processors if they don't already have that in place. And so that is something that they're already familiar with. So that's going to be a natural transition point where, Southeast Asia is probably going to be much more inclined to use stablecoins or use an electronic payment system that skips over this credit card system that we have. And I think that's going to be where the adoption is. And on talking about stablecoins a bit, the US is extremely incentivized to start pushing stablecoin adoption for the rest of the world because they buy US treasuries, because that is what backs the stablecoins.